Manipur Mahood Minister Okram Henry today informed that the government will double the size of the existing Lamdeng solid waste treatment plant besides turning the electricity generated from the solid waste to a power grid. Henry was inspecting the waste treatment plant this morning. He was accompanied by representatives of Lamdeng Apunbaluk, officials of IMC and Mahood department during the visit. The 24-hour MORIT total shutdown is underway peacefully. Kuki civil society organizations have imposed the strike protesting against the killing of Thangmilen Guite by unidentified gunmen yesterday at MORIT. The Band started at 6 p.m. yesterday. Our correspondent reports that all shops at MORIT market bordering Myanmar were shut during the Band. Security has been tightened in the town to prevent any untoward incident during the shutdown. India's active coronavirus infection tally continued to decline, with the country running the world's largest vaccination drive. India reported 14,256 new cases in the last 24 hours, according to the Health Ministry's data as of 8 a.m. today. As per a media report, it's lower than the 17,130 patients who recovered from the virus in the same time period, taking the active cases to 1.85 lakh. 4-year-old Mohammad Riaz Khan, who went missing since January 19 last, was found dead inside a pond in Moijing area today. Riaz, son of Mohammad Riaz Khan of Thobal Moijing, was the third child among 4 siblings. Riaz's family and neighbors suspected that unknown people kidnapped him. Imphal police under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Roni Mayingbam today carried out a cordon and search operation at Wangkai Thangkapat Mapal in Imphal East to tout any subversive activities during the Republic Day celebrations. 72 houses were searched and 182 individuals were verified. Manipur's COVID-19 case count stands at 28,970 with 15 new cases reported in the last 24 hours as per the data provided by the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. No fatality due to the virus was reported in the last 24 hours. The state's death toll stands at 369. The number of active cases is 196 while the recovery cases are 28,405. The state's recovery rate is 98.04% as of 11 a.m. today. A 50-year-old man who accidentally fell in a deep local pond at Kongba Bazaar in Imphal East this morning was saved from drowning by a Special Commando Unit Subedar who was present on the scene. The man was identified as Sarangthem Loken Singh of Kongba Nandi Bamlikai, while the Subedar who rescued him was identified as Laitonjam Vivekananda. Longmai 4 Baptist Church today organized the 35th Children Day program at Rongmai Naga Baptist Association RNBA at Longmai 4 Peaceland on the theme of Great is Our Lord and Mighty in Power, His Understanding Has No Limit. Program Secretary S.K. Wilson, Director C.K. Chuanrai and Superintendent SBS T.K. Ningrai Mai were also present in the program. After a gap of nearly 19 months, flight operations have resumed at Pakyong Airport in Gangtok, Sikkim. All flight operations at the Pakyong Airport were suspended at the Pakyong Airport in June 2019. The airport remained non-operational for the last 19 months due to technical reasons and uncertain weather conditions. The 9th round of India-China Corps commander-level talks over the Ladakh standoff have begun at Moldo in the Chinese side with an aim to once again resolve the ongoing conflict. Media reports said that representatives from the Indian side have reached Leh and further meetings are on to finalize the Indian standpoint for the talks. The Election Commission is set to launch the EPIC Electronic Electoral Photo Identity Card program tomorrow, which is the National Voters' Day. New voters will get the facility after downloading the card on a registered mobile connection. Once the approval by competent authorities for the new application for a voter card is provided, the applicant can get it in digital format. According to the plan on the digital format, for the EPIC, there will be 2 different QR codes consisting of information about the voter. One QR code will have the voter's name and other specific details, while the second code will have the voter's other information.